Let me ask you something. How many times have you said, from tomorrow, I'll fix my life? New habits, new routine, new version of you. And for a few days, maybe even a week, it works. Then slowly, everything collapses. You don't fail because you're weak. You fail because fixing your life is a lie. And today, I'll explain why it never works and what actually does. The relatable pain. Most people think their life is broken, so they try to repair everything at once. They wake up early, start exercising, cut social media, read books, plan goals, all at the same time. But here's the problem. You're trying to build a new life with the same mind that destroyed the old one, and that never works. Why fixing fails? Core reason. Fixing your life assumes something dangerous. It assumes your life is broken. But your life isn't broken. It's perfectly designed for who you are right now. Your habits, your distractions, your comfort, they're not accidents. They're systems. And systems don't get fixed by motivation. They get changed by design. Motivation versus reality. Motivation feels powerful. It makes you believe this time is different. But motivation is emotional, and emotions expire. That's why most life-fixing plans die silently, not with failure, but with fatigue. You don't quit. You just stop. The big shift. What actually works? So if fixing your life doesn't work, what does? Stop fixing. Start subtracting. Instead of asking, how do I improve my life? Ask, what is slowly ruining it? Because growth isn't about adding more discipline. It's about removing friction. Remove one useless habit, one toxic input, one unnecessary commitment, and your life improves automatically. Identity, habits. Here's something no one tells you. Habits don't change lives. Identity does. If you see yourself as, I'm trying to fix my life, you'll always feel broken. But if you see yourself as, I'm someone who doesn't tolerate chaos anymore, your behavior changes naturally. You don't force discipline, you protect your standards. Practical framework. Simple and real. Here's a simple rule that works. Don't redesign your life. Redesign your defaults. What you do when you're tired. What you do when you're bored. What you do when no one is watching. That's your real life. Change that, and everything else follows. Powerful close. You don't need to fix your life. You need to stop fighting who you are and start building systems that support who you want to become. Small, quiet, consistent. That's how real change happens. Soft and smart. If this made sense to you, subscribe. This channel isn't about fixing your life. It's about understanding it.